guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some cool things, how you can get like super cool pets, like, you know, my beautiful pet bee right there. Anyway, so we go to the world map. First thing I want to show you is the little bee. Okay, so see this beehive right here? You click on it. Click this. And then you can decorate your bee in any color, any way. And then you press next. Next. And then you can adopt this pet for 400 coins. Second, I want to show you the seahorse. I didn't get the seahorse yet, so I kind of don't want it. So I think it's deep blue. Oh yes, so I'm pretty sure you just go down here, and maybe there, no, I don't know. It's been a while since I went down here, more like yesterday. But somewhere down here you can definitely find it. Ooh, I think it's this. No. Okay, so maybe you go up here? I don't know. Do you go here? Oh yeah, you could go in here. And then same with the bee, you could just like, you know, totally adopt it. Yay. I don't know anything else. I just want to share that with y'all. But yeah, that's kind of hidden, because it goes up to the crystal sands. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know why I'm going. Okay, I guess I just went down a water slide. You could also adopt here. Oh no, you adopt a hamster here. I forgot. Yeah, you could adopt a hamster. Same with the bee and seahorse. If you actually remember. Okay, I'm gonna transform into my pet. Okay, this takes forever. Okay, let's go to my dad. You know, I'm just gonna tell you guys, every single video, it starts with my whole entire den. And also, I went to this yard sale. Somebody was having a yard sale, and I traded them something. I got this cute rug. I like it. Totally. Comment. Okay. So, anyway, I don't know what to do now. Oh yeah, these aren't my drawings, it's my stepsis drawing, you know. Anyways, have a great day, night, morning, afternoon. Okay. Yeah, totally. Bye.